Hello students, we were doing our chapter squares and square roots, and today we will discuss some questions of our exercise 6.2. So question number 3 is find the smallest number by which the following numbers be multiplied to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. In this question we have to find the smallest number by which the following numbers be multiplied to obtain a perfect square, and we have to also find the square root of the perfect square. So our first part is 768. So firstly we will do prime factors of 768. So prime factors of 768 is 2 into 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 3. So these are prime factors of 768. So when we make pairs of these prime factors, then pair of 3 is incomplete. Okay, pair of 2, 4 pairs of 2 is complete, but pair of 3 is not complete. So we multiply 768 by 3 to obtain a perfect square, and when we multiply 768 by 3, then we get 2304. This is a number which is perfect square, and when we multiply 768 by 3, then we get perfect square, because pair of 3 is incomplete in prime factors of 768. And when we multiply 768 by 3, then 2304, the prime factors of 2304 is equals to 2 into 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 3 into 3. Okay, so when we find square root of 2304, then we take one number from one pair. 2 into 2 we take 1 2 2 2 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is square root of 2304, and when we multiply these factors, then we get 48. So square root of 2304 is 48. Now our fourth question is find the smallest number by which the following numbers be divided. In this question the following numbers be divided to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. So we will discuss second part of this question, 6480. So firstly we will do prime factors of 6480. So prime factors of 6480 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. And when we make pairs, then we get 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. All these pairs are complete, but pair of 5 is incomplete. So we divide 6480 by 5, and in this question if asked by which number we multiply, then we multiply it by 5, and in this question if asked by which number is we divide 6480, then we divide 5. Okay, pair of 5 is incomplete. We divide 6480 by 5 to obtain a perfect square, and when we divide 6480 by 5, then we get 1296. So 1296 is a perfect square number, and when we find its square root, then we get, firstly we will do prime factors of 1296, and these are equals to these 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So square root of 1296 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We take only one factor from each pair, and that is equals to 36. So square root of 1296 is 36. Okay friends, now question number 8 and 9 are same. Find the smallest number that is divisible by each of the numbers 2, 3, 6 and 10. And question number 9, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15, 12 and 30. We have to find smallest square number that is divisible by these numbers. So firstly we will find LCM of given numbers. So question number 8. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 2, 3, 6 and 10. So LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 10 is 30. Okay. When we find LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 10, that is equals to 30. And now we will do prime factors of 30 because we want to check if 30 is a perfect square or no. So prime factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. So 2, 3 and 5. These three numbers are not in pairs. So 30 is not a perfect square. So we multiply 30 by 2, 3 and 5 to obtain a perfect square because we have to make pairs of 2, 3 and 5. So we multiply 30 by 2 into 3 and 5. So when we multiply 30 by 2, 3 and 5, then we get prime factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5 and we multiply 2 into 3 into 5. Now we will make pairs 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 5 into 5. 4, 9, 25. And when we multiply 4 into 9 into 25, then we get 900. Okay. So 900 is the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 2, 3, 6 and 10. Okay students. Question number 9 is same as question number 8. Firstly, we have to find LCM of 8, 15, 12 and 30. Okay students. Now you can do your